I'm feeling gangster tonight. Who wants my potato? 'Cause I got a good potato. Come back, come back. This isn't a good time to leave. I couldn't find a potato, but I got a tomato. Is it the same thing, right? Ignore me, for my neck has turned against me. Here. If I were you, I'd ask you to leave me alone, but I'm too sad to do so. Now leave. I'm gonna wreck it. The grass compels you, you unholy demon.
Hi, I'm Cow. And I'm Cow.
Oh, we're bestest of friends, right, Alfred? Yeah, sure. Can I just kill myself now?
I'm such a third wheel.
You like what you see, Rexy Boo? You. Don't tell Alfred I snuck animal feces in his toothpaste. Don't tell me that Walmart's closed at 3 a.m. Something isn't right here, Mango. Does this count as being normal or modern? Wait a second. No, this video can't end this soon. I have a lot more to say. You don't have permission to turn it off. No, don't turn it off. No!